Hey guys, Sarge here. What we're going to be talking about today is just a quick video on showing you guys how the caliber exchange kits for the Sig Sauer P320 work. Okay, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that with my P320 subcompact. Okay, so here it is. This is the Glock 26 version of the P320 lineup. Okay, so we're going to switch this over to the compact version, which is their version of, let's say, the Glock 19. Okay, so first step, we are going to lock the slide to the rear. If there was a magazine here, we would have dropped that as the first step. We are going to ensure that we have an empty chamber, an empty magazine well. Once we have done that, okay, we are going to take this takedown lever and we're going to push it all the way down to the point where it can't go any further. We are going to follow the slide off the pistol, right? Now what we are going to do, we are going to pull out the takedown lever, and it just comes right out after you wiggle it a little bit. We then will take the fire control unit right here. All right. This, remember guys, is the firearm, okay? Everything else on here, minus the Glock 19 in the back, but the P320 parts here are all just gun parts, okay? And you can purchase all these. So your conversion kit is basically this, okay? So that's something to think about, guys. So this is your conversion kit right here. Is if you were to go on there right now and order a conversion kit, you're going to get the whole slide set up just like this, okay? Mine came with night sights. I don't know that all of them will, but mine did come with the Sig Light night sights and then a frame, okay? So that's going to come in a conversion kit, guys. Cool part with this over the Glock series or the Walthers or H&Ks and everything else is being able to have this subcompact kit and your compact all have the exact same trigger and be the exact same gun and switch out within a matter of seconds. Okay, so we drop the fire control unit right in. We then take the takedown lever, ride it as far down as it'll go, and it'll stop. We then will take the slide, lock the slide to the rear, send it home. Now we're going to do a functions check to ensure it was put together correctly. All right, guys, no issues here. Here's your P320 compact, guys. Let me know if there's anything else you guys would like to see out of the caliber exchange kit, or if you guys have any questions with how certain things work. I will tell you, for as long as I've had it, guys, this has definitely been the coolest pistol series that I've had the chance to work with. Okay, so stay tuned for more, guys. Sarge out.